everyone, welcome to the second video in the TreatDAO Creator tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to apply to be a creator on TreatDAO.com. Keep in mind, before you can apply, you need to make sure you've already set up your MetaMask wallet, connected it to the Binance Smart Chain network, and connected it to TreatDAO.com. If you do not know how to do this, please check out the first video in this tutorial series. I will put it in the description below. But if you have already done that, then you are good to go and you can continue to the next step. In order to apply, you have two options. You can go to TreatDAO.com and hit apply, or you can click the link in the description of this video. If you click the link in the description, keep in mind that will make me your referrer. If you already have a referrer, then just go to TreatDAO.com and click apply. At this point, you can fill in your basic information and put your referrer's address. Your referrer's address is simply their MetaMask wallet address. So if somebody did refer you to the website and they didn't give you a referrer address, you can just ask them for their wallet address to put in there, and that will help them because they will get a percentage of your future NFT sales as a reward for referring you to the website. So after you've put in the referrer address and your information and your profile picture right here, you need to turn in your documentation to verify your identity. So click Verify Me and you will be prompted to connect your phone. You can put in your phone number, your email address, or scan a QR code on your phone to continue. I've already applied, so I am just going to let you continue through the steps. It's really straightforward. And just be sure whenever you turn in your documentation that they are bright, that you take the photos in good lighting, and that they are not blurry so that it's easy to read your documents, because if they are not easy to read, then you will have to turn them in again. You will not be penalized for having to turn them in again, but it just will take a little bit extra time. So we suggest trying to make it look good the first time so that you can become a creator as quickly as possible. After your application gets approved, you are free to post your NFTs for sale and use the website in any way that you want as a creator. In the next video in this tutorial series, I will be teaching you how to post and how to navigate your creator dashboard and everything you need to know about being a creator and navigating this website. So if you're ready to go on to the next video, then please click the link in the description. And thank you for choosing TreatDAO, and I hope you have a good day.